Okay guys, a very common situation that can happen is actually when you're faced with multiple attackers to be cornered, okay? So if I'm here and these guys come and they're right here, I'm cornered, right? What can I do from there, right? The advantage is, well, none of them have my back and I'm not really afraid of somebody coming from behind or actually stabbing me from behind. However, the disadvantage is that I'm cornered and I need to escape and get out as quickly as possible. I don't want to sit there and try to fight both guys standing in this position. My job is to strike, use as a shield, and get out. So how do I do that? If they're here and they're talking to me, right, if I decide to strike, I'll come here and I'll use them as a shield, and I'm getting out. I don't want to sit there and try to fight and try to grapple. I don't know if this guy's got a knife and he's ready to use it and stab me. So as I'm striking, I'm using the sides, a shield, to get out from either side. Now you also have the option to go for a double palm strike, that if they're close here and I'm talking to them, I'll go whack right through there. Now depending on how they land and how they move, I could go through the middle or I could go from the side. The danger about going through the middle, if one of them, you didn't stun them enough, he might grab you. So if I go boom and I'm coming out, he might do this, holy shit, I'm in the middle. However, if I come here and I go whack, boom, and I just try to throw one off to the side, well, I'm running right to this side, I'm using it as a shield and I get to escape a little quicker, okay? So those are your two options. My preferred is to try to take one guy out fast and hard and strong, use him as a shield and get out as quickly as possible, okay? Guys, if you like the video, subscribe and leave us a comment. Stay safe.